Who are we without our dreams? It is wonderful to believe in our work and to do it with care and determination, always. Feeling the energy of being part of a team, motivated people who take an extra step towards new targets every day. Knowledge only makes sense if shared. For this reason, we create job and growth opportunities in other countries that seem distant and different, but are not. The beauty of believing in a dream that becomes a realized project permeates us. It seems like magic to be able to create the entire supply chain that will allow the creation of all kinds of footwear, from the cutting of the leather to the sewing of the upper, up to the final assembly line of the shoe. Our specialized technicians, with the typical attention of those who love their profession, assemble and install each machine. The goal is ambitious, but we believe in it. To build the production plant in less than a month, and then dedicate ourselves with care to teaching each individual operator to use all machinery. We have also designed non-productive areas, offices, warehouses, refreshment areas, kids' gardens. When people feel well, they give their best, and we want them to feel valued. After 3 years of study and sacrifices, now our company signs an important agreement with Tanzania. We are proud to offer new opportunities to the country. We have worked and will work to create the most important production center for shoes, leather goods and accessories on the African continent. But we won't stop. The dream continues.